Shalom and you're welcome to this tutorial video. So in this tutorial video, we will be looking at how you can generate AI videos. Okay, generate AI videos for whatever purpose you want to use it for, whether it is content creation, whether it is ad ad marketing, or whichever one you want to use it for. This video will show you how you can create your own AI videos that looks exactly like this. Okay,
I
so
can't
this is an example of the kind of AI videos you'll be able to generate.
believe they scammed us.
This importer is completely unreliable.
You should try Deline Imports. They are very reliable and professional. I can't believe
All right, so that's basically it. So let's go straight into it. So the AI that we use to generate these kind of videos is called Gemini, Google Gemini. All right, so the link to this AI would be in the description. Okay, and also I'm going to yeah, it's going to be in the description. So to be able to use the Google Gemini AI, you would have to first sign up, and then after that use pay for one of the subscriptions. So there are various plans that are available. If it is your first time, you might get premium. Okay, you might be able to get a premium. All right, yes. So once you sign up and then you subscribe to one of their premium plans, so these are some of the plans that are available. This is my current plan, which is 70 cedis per month. Okay, that is my current plan. Okay, so yes, and the reason why, okay, so you let's go to the see all plans, and then on the see all plans you'll be able to see the various plans, and then you choose the one that can help you the most. Okay, so let's go back to it. So to use Gemini to generate videos, first of all, you see this tools button over here, you tap on it, and then after that you select create video. All right, you select create video. So there are various templates over here that you can choose from, but then I'm not going to use any of that. So what you do is you just describe the video over here. Okay, you type in the description for the video. Okay, okay, so I've input my prompt. So now that I've input the prompt, you just send it to the AI, and then it would start to work on its magic for you. All right, so it will access the prompt. I've sent it to Pro. You can use any of these models. As long as it is on create video, it will still generate the video for you. So you can do fast thinking or Pro. I normally prefer Pro because it gives the best results. Yes. All right, so he's done generating the video. Okay, so one thing you should notice that you should try and give the AI a very, very detailed description of the video that you want it to generate for you, because it is going to use that as the prompt to generate the video. Okay, yes, and take note that depending on the plan you are using, the number of videos in a day you can generate in a day would be limited. So you would want to make sure that you are getting your best results at a go. So that is basically the reason why you have to give the AI a very much detailed description. So this is the video. Let's check it out.
GH Mart handles all your inventory, marketing, and secure payments in one dashboard. You can literally set up your store in minutes. GH Mart handles all your inventory,
Yeah,
marketing, and secure payments.
so that's basically it. Then after that, you can just tap on this button over here to download the video, and then after that, you can share it. So this is a very brilliant tool that you can make use of if you're a very idealistic person. You're someone that um, is very creative. You can make use of this tool for things like content creation or um, marketing, or whichever one it is. It's a very beautiful tool that you can make use of. So thank you for staying through this tutorial. The video would download. You just have to wait for some time for it to finish installing into the cache. So the download is done. Okay, so that's basically it. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, to get more, to be able to get more content like this. Okay, these are the type of things that I create videos on. So if this video has been beneficial to you, you can first go ahead and then like it, and then after that, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video as my subscriber. Bye.